So here we've got the Prefect dashboard. We have our LG07 lift module from Progressive Automations connected to a Raspberry Pi. We get up-down control. Right now we don't have it implemented where we can get the position feedback, but we have some scripts for storing the state of the last known position and moving around. And Daniel has it set up to run with integration with Prefect. So we'll go ahead and do that. We can see here task run. You've heard it go up and maybe it went, okay, resting for 10 seconds and then going down. Just taking a look at some of these logs. We scroll up a little bit. You can see all of this, all these kind of logs and tasks going on, but the flow run venomous seahorse. Right now we're logged into Prefect Cloud. So if I go back here and we go to runs, I'll actually just look at one of the most recent ones here. So you can see the same one here, custom test sequence, venomous seahorse. And this computer, my computer right now, it's on a completely different network from where he's running it at. So it's like cloud monitoring visibility. You can see here this graph. So we have this sequence of events here, and then another sequence of events. So we get this whole dependency graph just from using decorators on our function. So the Python looks very much identical, but we get an auto-generated graph of the things that happen. If we go in to here, we can see some of the other flows that have run. So that's Prefect helping us to control the lift that will stick on a rail and put a robot arm on top of.